there was a petition filed in connection with some illegal constructions coming up on the beaches. This was basically about Kalangut beach. Some structures are removed by the tourism department, some are yet to be removed. The tourism department will take action in next 2 months time of this illegal construction on the beach. The beach belongs to the government and ultimately it belongs to the public. Now High Court has further directed that henceforth the Director of Tourism will take a strict vigil over any type of illegal activities on the beach and all the beaches in Goa, particularly any construction and illegal activities in those illegal constructions not to be allowed at all. And that is the direction which is issued by the High Court today. The High Court is concerned, High Court has said that the Director should take the responsibility of keeping these beaches of all sorts of encroachment, any illegal encroachment including any signages etc. which are erected on the beach have to be removed by the Director, and it has to be done swiftly and quickly, and the orders will have to be implemented by the Director for the purpose of keeping these beaches clean of and free of encroachment.
Some direction has also been given regarding the connection of electricity and water.
That those are incidental and supplementary directions saying that this type of illegal constructions which have come up on the beach or the beaches in the state should not get electricity connection, water connection, and the Director should take proper precautions so that such illegal constructions do not mushroom on the beach.